Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best cordless vacuum for hardwood floors you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many cordless vacuum for hardwood floors and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each cordless vacuum for hardwood floors so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a cordless vacuum for hardwood floors. First, check the suction power because strong suction ensures dust and debris are removed without damaging the surface. Next, look for a vacuum with soft or rubberized brush rolls that prevent scratches on wooden floors. Battery life is also important, as longer runtime helps clean large areas without interruption. Consider the vacuum's weight and maneuverability for easy handling around furniture and tight spaces. A model with multiple attachments, like crevice or dusting tools, adds cleaning versatility. Also, ensure it has effective filtration to capture allergens and maintain indoor air quality. Finally, think about noise levels and storage convenience if you have limited space. With these factors in mind, you can choose the best cordless vacuum for your hardwood floors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.